Turn to Dr. Ho. Why? Because Dr. Ho knows how to help us get really relief of that pain. Give us that temporary relief that we so want, and I mean pain all over the body. It might be our back, it might be our neck, it might be our hips, it might be shoulders, it might be just tension, so much tension. There is a product that has been helping for so long now, and it's called Dr. Ho's Pain Therapy System. Folks, there's nothing else quite like this on the market. For those of us that have tried it, we love it, we swear by it. This uses proprietary technology that Dr. Ho has formulated and engineered with his patients in his clinic. On an HSN, we have a deal that is unrivaled anywhere in the world. This would be, just on Dr. Ho's website, over $200. Our price is $99 and change. We include loads of extra treatment pads as well. I could go on, but let's hear from the man himself. It's always a privilege and a pleasure. Dr. Ho, how are you?
I'm doing fantastic. Hi, everyone. You know, I'm really excited to be here today because today we're gonna help a lot of people live a better life with less pain. Now, I want to thank all of you for your great reviews on hsn.com and selecting this as a customer's pick. And by the way, if you've been using any of my pain therapy system, please take a moment and give me a call because your testimonial will help other people with pain. Now, do you suffer with neck pain, back pain, hip pain, pain and tension in your shoulders, pain in your arms, pain in your legs? And how is pain affecting your life? Is it affecting your energy level, your mood, your ability to work, to play, and to get good night's sleep? Well, with modern technology, I have a system that can relieve your pain very quickly without additional cost, without having to make an appointment to come see me in my clinic, and with no drug. This works fast. Now, over 10 million people around the world are already living a better life with less pain, okay? The reason they love this system is because it's easy, it is safe, and it's effective. Look, it is so easy. All you have to do is stick this little pad on the area where you have pain, okay? And you're ready to go. You just turn it on. Now, don't judge it by size. It's very small, but this got more power than the hospital plug-in unit that we use, okay? You can select the mode, and there's 7 modes, so you can customize the treatment. Now, press this little button here, one step at a time, and certain intensity level, whoo, there you go. You see my muscles? They're dancing. They're pulsing.
It's reacting.
Okay. Now they're doing that on their own. I let my arm go complete limb, so you can see I'm not doing that. The device stimulates the nerve and muscle, and it causes the muscle to contract and relax in many different rhythms. Okay. And by doing that, I can relax the muscle immediately. I can improve the circulation and relieve the pain. After just 10 minutes, you're gonna say, I'm starting to feel a little bit better. After just 20 minutes, you're gonna say, hey, wait a minute, how come I can move without that same pain? Now, I'm not just saying that. Millions of customers and patients around the world are experiencing this every day because pain can stop you from living your best life. So don't lose a day to the pain. If you think about getting this for yourself or someone today, please get it today because every day you lose the pain is a day you'll never get back. Now, this is a professional system and it's got 2 points. Let me show you something here. How many of you have pain in more than one area? I've treated patients for over 30 years, and most people with chronic pain have it all over the body. And that's why I've developed this Pro system that actually have 2 ports. Now, what that means is, look, I got big pads on my lower back and smaller pads on my shoulder. I can control the intensity to my shoulder right there. Perfect. And then for treating my low back pain, I can, with a different set of control, I can control the intensity of my low back. Woo!
There we go.
Now we're talking. Now, one thing you're gonna realize with this device, it is very powerful, but at the same time, with our own proprietary technology, it is not painful at all. It just feels like a deep soothing massage from the inside out. In fact, you feel like this whole bunch of different masseuse inside, kneading the muscle, chopping the muscle, squeezing the muscle, and within minutes, I wish I had this before, okay? And within minutes, your back pain, your shoulder tension literally melts away. Now, let me show you some of the professional features, because this is a medical-grade TENS device that's cleared by FDA. It's made with the highest medical standards, okay? So first, you got 2 ports. That means you can treat 2 areas in half the time, okay? Very powerful, but not painful, okay? You got 7 modes of therapy. That means you can customize the treatment for your particular pain. Now, this part you will love. It's got a sleep timer, because I know after treating so many patients, a lot of you cannot sleep because of your pain. You can set this for 20, 30 or 40 minutes, okay, so that you can relax, relieve the pain, and go to sleep.
And doctor, there's a lot of people with a lot of questions. So folks, I'm just gonna kind of bullet point a few things. This is FDA cleared. This is an FDA cleared device.
Yes.
As doctor mentioned, this is a huge, huge deal. Not only that, this is the Pro model. It's gonna help relieve pain in the back, in the neck, in the shoulders, in your hips, wherever you wanna place it. What doctor just showed us is very important. 2 ports mean 2 different areas of the body at the same time. One of the big things that you'll see when you read the reviews is a word that is repeated again and again and again, and that word is fast, doctor. Fast, fast, fast.
Very fast. In fact, I know many of you have been under different treatments, okay? If you're happy with the results, that's wonderful. But if you're not happy with the way you feel, okay, you need to try this. Because I know, after treating so many patients, most people with pain are undertreated. Why? Because you can't afford the time, you can't afford the money, or your insurance coverage have run out, okay? By having this system, and that's why I developed this, you can get effective and accessible effective treatment right in the comfort of your home. And what that means is you can treat your pain anytime you want. Listen, he's got a little tension here. So we're gonna give him a nice little massage to relieve the stress, okay? Okay, you ready, Adam?
I'm ready.
Okay, here we go.
Make me feel better, doctor.
Here we go.
Ah. 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 It's like there's, I'm not doing that. I'm not doing that. I'm not doing that. Oh, he's chopping at me now.
Look. You hold this. Now, you can control the intensity if I come in. What Adam's experiencing, okay, I wish you can experience. It feels like somebody's vibrating his shoulder, it's chopping the shoulder, it's kneading the shoulder, it's squeezing, and then all of a sudden, boom, all the tension just leaves.
Oh, it's heaven. It's heaven.
Isn't it great? Okay.
If you've never, I feel like I've got 5 people working on me all at once. If you've never tried this, you absolutely have to give this a go. It's an extraordinary feeling, but that's what's given us this wonderful feeling of results, doctor, because it works.
It works so amazing. In fact, I can guarantee you that once you try this, you will believe this is the best thing that can ever happen to you. Now, we have technology for pain relief that's not available on any other system in the world.
Right.
We have what we call AMP technology, auto-modulated pain relieving wave. In fact, it will output over 300 different types of stimulation. What that means is your body will not adapt to the same stimulation. In fact, because it's always changing, your body relaxes right away and relieves the pain right away the first time you use it and every time after that for years to come. Imagine having your own system to give you unlimited relief. Now, I want to go over this package because you don't want to miss this. This is the same device that I use in my clinic for my patient, but my patients pay up to $100 for one single treatment.
And you use the same technology, doctor?
Same machine. Wow. Not just technology. This is the same machine we use on a patient, and you know, you have to pay $100.
Sure, this is $100
I'll tell you a funny story. My son-in-law recently, who was playing basketball, he hurt his knee.
Right.
So he went into a local clinic, and they put the same machine on him, and they charged him $60 for the one treatment, okay? So he came home and said, Dad, I should have just asked you for it. That's the true story. Okay, you're gonna get this Pain Therapy Pro. It's got 2 ports with separate set of control. That means you can treat 2 different areas in half the time. It's rechargeable. You never have to buy battery. It comes fully charged out of the box, so you relieve yourself right away, okay? So you got 7 modes of therapy. You can customize the treatment. You got a timer so you can sleep, okay? Use this before you go to bed. It's wonderful. Put this on your night table. If you wake up at night with pain, put the little pads on, relieve the pain, and go back to sleep. No interruption. Smaller pads are great for shoulder, like neck, upper rotator area, elbow, all the smaller area. Big pads, okay? Now, by the way, you can get replacement pads here. You're gonna get a chart to show you exactly where to put it. And I practice and teach acupuncture to many doctors, so I'll teach you the same thing, where to put the path. And if you ever have any questions and you want to talk to someone, we have a customer toll-free number you call. But you don't need it. Everybody can do this on their own, even if you're senior or single, no problem. Now, this is what you're gonna love. The big pads for low back pain, hip pain, leg pain, knee pain, muscle pain from working hard. So many of my customers and patients, they actually go to work with this. I went to Body Shop recently because pick up my car from the scratch. 5 of the guys in the shop come out to say hello to me, and they were wearing my system. They said, before I get back pain at work, now I use a pad during breaks, and I feel great. So big pads for a big area. Travel case, instructional DVD. Now, this is portable. What that means is you can use it when you're on vacation. Now, this is what you normally get, and we charge $220 on our own website. Right. Today on HSN only. exclusive right here. You get all this extra pad. Now, you may not realize those are all reusable. What that means is you can get at least 500 treatment with the reusable pad. And today, we're gonna include the foot relief pads, the portable foot relief pad, so you can relieve your foot and leg pain anytime you want, and they never break down. You can use them over and over again. What that means is you can get thousands of treatment for the cost of one visit to my clinic.
Guys, we are very busy. It's the only scheduled presentation today. We'd love for you to get it. He's a famous man, there's no doubt about it. This is Dr. Ho. You've seen him on the morning shows, the TV shows, the magazines, the newspapers. This is him. This is the proprietary technology that Dr. Ho has helped pioneer to bring to America to give us that temporary relief. You got to try it. It's been a big custom pick for a long time for reasons like this.
Pain was located primarily in my rotator cuff, which led to muscle tension across my back and up into my neck. Would affect me in my workaday, my ability to relax, and more importantly, my ability to sleep through the night. Since I started using Dr. Ho, I'm finding myself able to get through the workday, much, much better range of motion, no pain, and most importantly, a great night's sleep. What I love about Dr. Ho is the variety of the treatment that is going through. You get the power, you get the intensity in a very small, easy-to-use unit.
Listen, this is how easy it is to relieve your pain at home. You just sit on your couch, watch your favorite TV show, and you can get relief for your neck, shoulder, low back, knee, and your feet. Listen, there's no drugs involved. That means if you suffer chronic pain, you need some relief every day, or if you work hard at the job every day, you can come home, relax, relieve your pain without any worries. No extra cost, don't have to make an appointment and see me, don't have to sit in my waiting room for 2 hours or drive back and forth in traffic to come see me. You can do this all on your own, and that's why I do it. I have treated so many patients, they always complain. They say, Doctor, it feels great when I come to see you, but what do I do on the weekend? What do I do in the middle of the night? What do I do when you're on vacation? What do I do when my insurance coverage runs out? Well, after hearing from so many people, and I know how life is really stopping them from driving long trips, taking vacation, playing with their kids, sleeping through the night. It affects every aspect of their life. In fact, it affects their mood so much that their spouse always complains to me that, hey, you gotta fix this man, because he's nasty.
Not talking about you, is he, Henry?
Not talking about you. Okay, listen, ladies, get this for your man. A lot of men have pain from working hard, from playing sports over the years, and as they get older, the pain affects their mood, affects their energy, and their ability to sleep, to work, everything. When you get this for them, they'll feel so much better. They'll love you for it because it shows that you really care. Now, if you have knee pain, I use this every day. Listen, I'm 59, I can play against young kids in basketball. Actually, in fact, I'm a little sore today because I played for 3 hours of basketball yesterday, so I woke up this morning, my knees sore, my muscles sore. I use this right away, and I can play again right away because with this, I can relieve the pain in my knee, okay? And if you can relieve the pain, you can play sports, you can walk better, you can become active and healthy.
But doctor, it's at this stage, after so many years and after so many sold and after so many reviews, that this isn't just an example of what it can do, this is truly living proof of what it can do.
Yes.
At this stage in the game, Dr. Ho's product is world famous. I mean, to say that it's FDA cleared gives us that kind of real strong belief in this product as a medical device to give us that temporary relief of something that's nagging, something that's aching, something that's hurting, something that feels debilitating, something that's holding us back. And that's what Dr. Ho is talking about. Because life is for living, and Dr. Ho, pain stops us.
Look, this is not your regular TENS. I don't care how much you have paid for the one you're using at home. Try this one and compare.
Yeah.
Whichever one doesn't work, send it back or give it away. Believe me, this is the best TENS device you can ever try. Why? Because I developed this from the feedback I got from my patients and from my customers for the last 30 years. This is all we do. I dedicate my entire life to make a device that can help you get fast relief for your muscle tension, for your joint pain, for your back pain, shoulder tension, so that you can live a good life. Because I know every day you lose the pain is one day you'll never get back.
Yeah.
And for your knee pain, for your muscle pain, it's wonderful. Now for your foot pain, Adams, you got them on your feet already?
You better believe I have.
Oh, listen. Ladies, if you love a foot massage, Dr. Ho never says no. You don't have to ask anybody. Okay, listen, if you stand or walk or work on your feet all day, when you come home, you know what it's like, your feet is all sore. Well, by using the foot relief pad, it just relieves all the aches and, aches and pain in your legs and feet, and it just allows you to relax and get a good night's sleep. But now, I want you to listen very carefully. The biggest problem that most people face is lower back pain.
Yeah.
My friend Henry here has been suffering with lower back pain in his legs for many years. He told me before he tried Dr. Ho's system, he was having terrible time when he drive his truck or when he go play with his grandkids. In fact, he stopped playing with his grandkids before. And the biggest problem is he said his back pain disrupt his sleep. Now, ever since he's using my system, he said now he can drive long trip in his old truck. He can tackle the kids. He can having a lot more fun, and everybody's happier. And he can sleep much better through the night. Henry, can you stand up and show me, okay, where you put the pads for your back pain? Okay, turn around, please. Now, if you suffer back pain, doesn't matter what you have tried and failed before, this is the one that will work. Believe me, we have done this with millions of people around the world.
Right.
All you have to do is put the big pads one each side, and what that'll do is relax the back muscle deep inside, so relieve the back pain. Now, many of you also have pain in your hip and your back of your legs. This is what you do. With the 2-port system you're getting today, with the 2 ports, you can actually have 4 pads going on at the same time. So you will put one pad right up here, okay, on the buttock area, right? Because this is where the sciatic nerve exits from your hip. So you put it right on here and the back of your leg, and I'm telling you, that will help to relieve your leg pain so much. So with my Pro system, back pain, hip pain, leg pain, relief at the same time. It's easy, it's safe, and it's effective. This is the one that's really work. So please, give it a try. Listen, there's absolutely no risk. If it doesn't work for you, you can return it for refund.